Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the making of the Femi handbag. So as you guys can see, this is part of where we stopped last time. As you can see, we have our lining for the back, the lining for the back panel, and this is the back panel. We've already fixed our back pocket to it. Then we have the bottom of the bag, which we have fixed the feet of the bag to it, and it has been lined already as well. So then after that, we have our two side and we have the front panel. Now we have our cover panel, and this is going to be our handle. This is the genuine leather and we have cut it out already. So, and this is the marco that is going to be inside and everything. So now what we are going to do is to punch hole with our punch hole to this particular one. This is our punch. I'm ready to punch the hole. When I'm using hand punch, so after I use the hand punch, I will use my machine to fix the eyelet. So this is the eyelet. That is the next thing I'll be doing, because the handle is going to go in between the eyelets. One eyelet is going to be here and the second one is going to be here. So that's the next thing we are going to do now. After we finish fixing the hand, so this will be a front lid. It's going to look something like this. We'll be fixing here. We'll be covering this as well with the ashoke fabrics. So after I fix this, I will fix the hand, then the hand will be fixed to this. I will sew this down, then that's when I'll be putting the lining for this, because now it has not been lined yet. It's just ordinarily the way it's supposed to be. So after it has been lined, then we'll sew this to this particular back panel. So I'll be showing you the process of it. I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch this to the end. So if you do enjoy this particular video, please give it a giant thumbs up. If you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. For those of you who always watch this who always watch tutorial on this channel and have not subscribed but always come back to subscribe, please, it costs you nothing to subscribe. You can use this particular time to subscribe to the channel, so that you can use this time to subscribe to the channel, and when you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new tutorial video. It costs you nothing to subscribe, and share this with people you know it might be of help to them. And we shall see you as I proceed to the making of the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching. So welcome back guys. This is the front cover. So I already have my eyelets on it. Then the handle I was showing you earlier, I've padded it, then sew it. Then after that, I put a piping inside to make it stand, to make the hand stand. The hand will be something like this, just like this. So that's what we are planning to do. So after now the next process is for me to by the way it is now, there will be a thread at this edge. So I have some pieces here I will be putting. It will look like something like this. We'll put this. So that is what we are planning to do right now. So for you to apply that, you have to put your gum, apply your gum to all the edge. Then what you want to gum to it, just like the way this is now, you apply a little bit of gum to it as well. Then you gum it this way. After you gum this, you leave it. Is after you fix all your lining, you are done with the whole of the bag. That's when you start losing. Then it will be hairy, just like the one we make previously on this channel. So that's the next thing I'll be doing now. I might not get the time to show you how I do it, but from the explanation and I have said, you are going to apply the gum to it now. It's just going to be from this round to this particular place, then start here back to this place. So that's what I'll be doing. Then the handle, as you can see, I've split the hand. So once I put it from through the eyelet, I will apply gum to this part, so I'll gum it down. I'm not sewing it, I'll just gum it down. So that's the only thing I'll be doing. After that, then I'll be I've already cut out the lining. I'll fix my lining to it. Once I attach my lining to it, then I'll be attaching it to the back panel. So I hope you guys will stay tuned to see how the process is going. Thank you for watching. So guys, after you finish applying this, as you can see, this is how it's going to look. I've put all it. Then you apply your gum to the side of your eyelets, then apply it to the handle. This is the handle where I've split the mouth, the both sides. So the next thing now is for me to fix it from the outside this way. Then I will gum it from the inside, then apply more glue to it and stabilizer gum. So that's just it. And by the way, what I said earlier, the way this is, you should not split the mouth here. You should make sure when you finish the bag and you are done with everything, that's when you will split it so that the thread will not be going off. So now it's left for me to put the hand and sew this. Then I'll be showing the process as we proceed and continue. So guys, right now done with this. You know, I show earlier how it's going to look like. So now I'll be applying this lining to here. So everything is now done here. Now it's now for me to apply the lining. Once I apply the lining, we are good to go. You know, we are good to go to finish. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing at this time so that you will not get left behind when we are doing interesting tutorial like this. So for those of you who are here, please leave in the comment section below if you have a question or anything you think on this particular video. Give this particular video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy. As I always said, all of you subscribe, and thank you guys. So when I was okay, we've talked about, if you watch the part one, we've talked about the measurements here. So this is 3 centimeters from here. So in this bag making, I use two scale of measurements, which is imperial and metrics. Imperial is inch, while metrics is centimeter. So I measure 3 centimeters from where I will sew the hand. So that's what it is. So right now I will make sure I finish and proceed with the rest of the working, and I will take you along and show you guys what is happening. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, welcome back. Actually, I finished attaching the side to the rest of the bag. As you can see, everything is well intact. When I was doing it, I tried to stop it because I have some problem. So that's the reason why I didn't. I forgot to fin. So but the two side has been intact, as you see. As you can see. So the next thing is for me now to attach this lid to it, the front of the what is it called, magnetic snap. So I've applied my gum to this side, apply it to this side as well. I want it to dry off a little bit before I will do the rest. So that's just it. So after I'm done, I will show you. After I finish, this is how the bag is going to look like. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. So once I'm done now, I would like to show you guys and see how it's going. So welcome back, guys. Here is the bag we have made. As you can see, beautiful bag, front and back. It has a back pocket. The strap here, the handle is genuine leather, so with eyelets here. Then back sitting as well. I hope you guys understand and remember I will fix all of this. So the lid I was talking about, the cover for the magnetic snap, so I've done that. I put a stuff inside to maintain the shape so that you guys can see it clearly. So this is just it. So this is the end of the video. What I didn't do is for me to lose all this thread. So it's the way it's coming out now. You remove everything. After you are done with it, it will look something like this. So this is the effect we want it to bring out. That's the reason why we put this. So I think maybe in the weekly update you will see how I've done everything. So from there you remove all of this, so it will be beautiful. I don't want the video to exceed how I planned it to be. So this is just it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give this particular video a giant thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when you upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this particular project and anyone you want us to do next. Share this video with people you know it will be of help to them so that they can watch and learn on how to make bag. So I think we are going to see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching and bye for now.